Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here is your daily 5-minute turbo update. Let's go. Here's the 1 hour time frame. Every candle is 1 hour. And guys, yesterday I told you, attention, if we will break this green uptrend to the downside, we have a really big problem. And yes, you can see it, we have the problem. I told you guys, this blue middle line here, this is a very big support, and look at this, we perfectly hit this support, 32,300 about, and it was a perfect hit. Now we're going a little bit sideways or to the upside, and yes, we are in a big problem zone now. Now let's check, guys, what's going on with Bitcoin on this 1 hour time frame. Let's zoom out a little bit, and you can see it here. I told you guys, if we are zooming out and out and out, more and more, look at this. This is our big green red downtrend, and this blue line is the middle line, and this was my big support here. And yes, we hit this perfect, and now we are a little bit over this support. So all in all, we are still in a big downtrend, yes, but we are over the middle line, and this is nice, this is bullish. But guys, we are fighting now with the middle line, and it's really possible to fall down here, to lose the fight here, and this would be a big problem. But for now, we are still over the middle line. If you are watching the next things, we are in a big downtrend. Yes, we are in a little downtrend, and we are also in a little uptrend. And that's the big thing why it's not so easy to tell you guys it's going up or down. The big question is now, we lost this uptrend, this little uptrend, and we are still back in our downtrend here. So it's not useful for us, this uptrend. We are still back in this downtrend, and we are working in this little downtrend. So these targets to the upside are not here good for us anymore, and we have new targets. If we can go up here, we have this green line here. This is a resistance line for the moment. This is a red one, okay, and our target to the upside is the ribbon band. Depends always where we will hit this ribbon band, 33,000. This is the next big thing, and also this red line. The next thing is, if we can fight back the ribbon band, we have still this big downtrend here. This is the upper line of the downtrend, and the price is here about 33,300. These are the big things now. If we can go up again, I don't think so, but it's possible. It's really possible that we saw here a bottom, here a double bottom, and now we see maybe an upgoing Bitcoin. It's possible. Maybe we are building something like a W pattern, but it's too early now to watch this. Let's check the indicator. Let's check the RSI on the 1 hour time frame. This is this one here. And you can see, very interesting here, we are on 36 points. Not overbought, not oversold, but we are really low with the RSI. And we have this line here. It's not important for us to watch. It's also not important to watch this 1 hour time frame. So let's forget this 1 hour RSI. Let's check the 4 hour. I think this is more important to watch the 4 hour time frame. Because guys, this here, a line from the lowest point over this point here to the upside, is our green support line. And yes, we hit this support line here perfectly, and we are now on this support line on the 4 hour time frame on the RSI. Look at this, perfectly, a perfect hit. The big question is now, can we see a bounce up from here, or will we see a downgoing Bitcoin price again? This is the big question, but now we are in a big support, and maybe we see a little direction to the upside. This is really possible. But guys, from the upside is coming this line, and this is also very important. We have a lot of space to the upside. This is the next line with 60 points here on the RSI, a lot of space to the upside. So maybe we see a breakout. It's not impossible if we are watching the RSI, but this line on the downside must hold. This is very important. Let's watch very quick the 1 day time frame. And I told you guys, watch the RSI on the 1 day time frame. I have it on my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week also, so you can watch it there. And you can see it here if we are drawing this line like this here and zoom in a little bit more. We have to zoom it up. It's so important now. Let's zoom it up a little bit more. Not possible. Okay. Okay, then we have to look at it, and you can see it hit. Now, guys, a perfect hit on this support line on the 1 day RSI, perfect hit. We are still fighting now with this line. If we will see a closing candle, a spike under this, this would be a really bad sign. For the moment, we are still over this line, but guys, attention. And also look at this big fat line coming from the upside. This is our resistance. So we are here in a really big problem. To the upside, to the downside, not much space here. We will see, I think we will see here a big move in the next few days, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, a big move up or down. Both sides are possible. For the moment, we are bearish. For the moment, it's really possible to go down here, guys. 60-40 in my opinion here. So let's check very quick on the 1 hour time frame, the MACD, but I think the MACD is bearish here if we're watching this. For the moment, we see nice little leg to the upside, but you can see it also. We have here a resistance. This is this resistance line here from this deepest point over these points here, and we are directly on this 32,600 resistance. Let me check very quick the MACD. Here we are. And yes, the MACD is bearish, blue line and the brown line. We are buying red candles. Okay, for sure, that's not the best thing. Let's check on the 4 hour time frame. That's the 3 hour. The 4 hour, we are still bearish. We are buying big red candles. Okay. And on the 1 day time frame, let's check this. Also, we are still bullish, and this is nice to see. So you can see on the big time frame, on the 1 day time frame, we are still bullish with the MACD. We see no cross with this orange line. If we will see a cross here, that's really big bread problem, I think, guys. So that's the 5-minute turbo update for Bitcoin. We have the things to watch, to the upside and to the downside. You know it, guys. To the downside, if we break down, it could be a big move to the downside, 28,700, big support. And if we can break the upside, there is so much resistance to the upside. One of the biggest things, I think, if we can fight back the ribbon band and is 39,000, 40,000. This is the biggest thing, the biggest resistance for the moment. So if we will see a big leg to the upside, it's possible, maybe 40,000. If we could see a big leg to the downside, 28,700 must hold. This is so important now for Bitcoin for the next day, maybe for today or tomorrow. Guys, I hope we see us tomorrow again to the next turbo update. And I wish you the best of luck. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short here, guys. I wish you make millions with your trade. And very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours, Biti.